Okay, what we have here is this is a JMHKilovolt homemade power supply. A few extra parts that I found, unregulated. So we're going to give her a test. We'll turn the variac on. We got the AC lines coming in, line of neutral. Also have this cheapo meter set up on the AC side. Then the DC output is going to be measured with the fluke. I want a more accurate reading on the DC output. Okay, so now got power on. Let's go ahead and kick the breaker on. Extra protection. Let's start increasing some voltage here. Okay. 21 volts. I'm reading 5 volt DC. Everything's going great. Let's go ahead and bring her on up. Let's get her up to 120. Heck with it. $121, close enough. This is a 250 VA transformer, 120 to 24, 25 amp mini bridge rectifier, 2000 microfarad, 450 volt max capacitor, electrolytic, and rated at 120 volts. I am reading 35, a little over 35 volt DC, unregulated power. Alrighty, with no load on this sucker, we're going to go ahead and turn the voltage back down. Matter of fact, go ahead and kick it off. Go ahead and kick the main breaker off on the power supply circuit itself. Boy, that's one heck of a capacitor, ain't it? So now, I got a 2 ohm, what is this? 2 ohm, 100 watt variable resistor I'm using just to discharge the capacitor. Not wanting to get into too many other things. Put one side on, put the other side on. Alrighty, down to 0. There it is. Perfectly functional, operational, homemade, do-it-yourself power supply. I thank you, and I will see you next time.